Get ready to take a nostalgic trip back in time and immerse yourself in the essence of classic American muscle cars. Today, we're exploring the iconic 1970 Pontiac Trans AM, a vehicle that flawlessly blends the grace of European sports cars with the raw power of American engineering. This vintage masterpiece, with its stunning design and roaring engine, has left an indelible mark on the history of automobiles. But before we delve into the details, make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now, let's begin. Exterior. Style and power in perfect harmony. The 1970 Pontiac Trans AM boasts a brand new look that exudes confidence and strength. With its pronounced nose, sleek sloping rear profile, and lowered stance, this muscle car commands attention. Adding to its aggressive appeal are fender air extractors, spoilers, fender spats, and a functional shaker hood scoop, enhancing not only its looks, but also its performance. This Trans AM has undergone meticulous restoration, showing no signs of wear. The body is flawless, free from rust, corrosion, bubbles, or cracks. Painted in its original Lucerne blue, the exterior shines with a lustrous finish reminiscent of European luxury cars. Even the jambs, painted with precision, exhibit the same level of detail. The original decal striping adds authenticity to this masterpiece, while the rubber bumper and moldings are pristine, reflecting the dedication and care put into its restoration. Interior. A luxurious retreat. Stepping inside the 1970 Pontiac Trans AM, you're enveloped in a luxurious blue interior. Every aspect of the cabin has been meticulously restored, from the carpeting to the headliner. The reupholstered seats, refinished center console, and well-preserved plastic trim maintain the car's original charm. Completing the interior are newly installed blue Pontiac floor mats and a gleaming new mirror that complements the flawless dashpad. The instrument panel, adorned with sparkling machine-turned chrome bezels, adds a touch of elegance. This Trans AM is equipped with a full set of rally instrumentation, including a tachometer, designed with the driver's passion in mind. Engine compartment. Unleashing raw power. At the heart of the 1970 Pontiac Trans AM lies the Ram Air the 3 400 engine, matching the VIN. With the correct YZ code and 12 Ram Air manifolds, this powerhouse delivers pure muscle. The engine compartment is meticulously finished, featuring shiny new chrome valve covers and meticulously coated metal surfaces. Equipped with power steering, a new power brake booster, and master cylinder, this Trans AM offers a smooth and controlled driving experience. Trunk compartment. Combining class with utility. The trunk compartment showcases the same attention to detail found throughout the vehicle. Both aesthetically pleasing and functional, this space features clean metal splatter paint with a clear coating for protection. The gloss blue finish beneath the trunk lid and jamb adds a touch of sophistication to this storage area. Wrapping up. And that concludes our journey with the 1970 Pontiac Trans AM. I hope you enjoyed the ride. If you did, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.